Today we're going to work on all of the intervals you've already been doing: minor thirds, major thirds, perfect fourths, and perfect fifths. Except we're going to throw a challenge into the mix. Instead of going upwards, these are all now going to be traveling downwards. So you're going to need to do an additional calculation in your head. So for example, if I play this interval, you're going to have to flip it in your mind so you can sing from the lowermost note. So if you hear ba ba, you want to hear that last tone and then flip it ba ba. Oh, that's a minor third because it sounds like the beginning of Green Sleeves. If you hear ba ba, flip the tones in your head, and once you flip it, bum 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 ba da da, sounds like the beginning of "Oh When the Saints Go Marching In." That's a major third. Ba ba. Again, I'm doing a mental reversal. Ba 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 bum. Sounds like "Here Comes the Bride." So that's going to be a perfect fourth. And then finally, ba dum. If I play it like that, it sounds like "Lavender's Blue." So again, you're going to hear it reversed, hear it going in a descending fashion, and then I want you to mentally flip it in your head so you can think about what song it sounds most like. And eventually, you're not going to need the song as a crutch, but you probably will want to use it for a decent amount of time until you really become fluent in interval identification. Like I said, we're going to do major thirds, minor thirds, perfect fourths, and perfect fifths all going down. Let's get started. That's a minor third. You can flip it. Ba, 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 ba. That's a perfect fourth. With that inner rotation. Ba, ba, da, dum. This one's a major third. Bum, ba, da, dum. If you flip it, you'll hear "When the Saints Go Marching In." Here we've got a perfect fourth. Ba, dum, da, dum. With that inner rotation. Ba, 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 ba. That's a perfect fifth. This one's a minor third. Now we've got a major third. This one's a perfect fifth. Major third. Perfect fourth. minor third, perfect fourth. Let's do one more. Minor third,